The automotive industry is being reshaped by revolutionary technologies and consumer demands, making the launch of a new product more complex than ever before. Meet the challenge with virtual manufacturing development. All disciplines of engineering can collaborate in a single integrated digital environment to accelerate work cell, line, operations and plant development. With advanced simulation, you can test and commission equipment virtually to identify issues before physical commissioning and avoid the costly design, build, test, redesign, iteration cycle that can delay your launch and cause expensive errors. With virtual manufacturing development, you will optimize energy and raw material usage to drive sustainability into your manufacturing processes. You will reduce downtime, eliminate errors, avoid costly rework, and ensure work cell safety with human simulation capabilities. Rethink your approach to production line creation and optimization, and ensure a flawless launch with virtual manufacturing development from Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solutions. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.